You asked and we delivered. Many of you have been asking how to create the falling gemstone effect on jewelry as shown in the video. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving this effect. Use Blender for generating gemstones. Create the desired gemstone using the Jewelcraft plugin for Blender. Then, use the Array modifier to create a collection of gemstones that will fall onto the ring. Export the gemstone array. Save the array as an FBX file and import it into Light Tracer Render. Position the gemstone array directly above the ring. Select the ring and save its current position as a keyframe. Using the manipulator, rotate the ring around its axis several times and save the new position as another keyframe. Your ring animation is now ready. Simulate the falling gemstones. Select all the gemstones in the array and in the Physics Simulation tab, assign them the dynamic status. Adjust the gravity factor to achieve the desired effect, as shown in the video. Click Record and wait for the simulation to complete. Once the simulation is finished, the animation will appear in the right panel. Add it to the timeline. Set up the camera movement and adjust the focal length to focus on the objects. Once everything is ready, render the animation and save it as an MP4 file. After rendering, do not change anything in the project. Simply delete all the gemstones and prongs from the ring and render the animation again. Combine the animations in a video editor. Open any video editor, in this case CapCut was used. Overlay the two videos, the one with the falling gemstones and the one without gemstones. Trim the clips at the point where you want the falling effect to transition smoothly, creating the illusion of gemstones falling onto the ring. That's it. Share your results with us. We can't wait to see your creations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new tutorial videos.